Question number 91. In which continent the Alps mountain is situated in? A. Europe, B. North America, C. South America, D. Asia. And the correct answer is A. Europe. Question number 92. Suez Canal connects A. Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean and North Sea, C. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, D. North Sea and Japan Sea. And the correct answer is C. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Question number 93. Which is the shortest day in the Northern Hemisphere? A. January 15, B. December 21 or 22, C. December 29, D. January 30. And the correct answer is B. December 21 or 22. Question number 94. The Earth rotation on its axis is from south to north, B. North to south, C. East to west, D. West to east. And the correct answer is D. West to east. Question number 95. Rainfall related to mountains is called A. Cyclonic rainfall, B. Monsoon rainfall, C. Orographic rainfall, D. Normal rainfall. And the correct answer is C. Orographic rainfall. Question number 96. Which waterway gives the source of terrestrial positions of the basin? A. Canals, B. Lakes, C. Rivers, D. Oceans. And the correct answer is B. Lakes. Question number 97. Friendship Bridge on Oxus River connects A. Uzbekistan and Afghanistan, B. Tajikistan and Kazakhstan, C. Russia and Afghanistan, D. China and Russia. And the correct answer is A. Uzbekistan and Afghanistan. Question number 98. Johor Strait separates A. Italy and Japan, B. France and Germany, C. Singapore and Malaysia, D. Florida and Sicily. And the correct answer is C. Singapore and Malaysia. Question number 99. Strait of Dover separates A. Cuba and Florida, B. Spain and South Africa, C. Germany and France, D. England and France. And the correct answer is D. England and France. Question number 100. Bay of Biscay is situated between A. Germany and France, B. Finland and Scotland, C. France and Spain, D. Estonia and Sweden. And the correct answer is C. France and Spain. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. If you want any PDF material related to in job, just comment us. Thank you.